The pain and struggle of students lugging their heavy math textbooks home every night for homework is gone. ALEKS is an online program that helps both teachers and students. It can be used as an assessment, practice, and objective learning tool. Teachers are able to select a specific class, and here they are able to track their overall classroom's progress. Students are learning and reaching the objectives by covering the topics in the ALEKS pie. Here are all of the objectives of the class and the levels of each topic required for each student to complete in order to reach the objective. Teachers are also able to track an individual student's progress by going to their own dashboard. Here, teachers are able to see how much time has been spent in the past week, how many topics have been learned, and how many topics have been attempted. Teachers are also able to see the progress students have been making and what they've been struggling with by each individual topic and the questions they've answered. They're also able to see the progress the students have been making towards the standard to see if they are close to finishing the standard and where they are struggling. A great assessment tool on ALEKS is the knowledge check. An initial knowledge check is a great diagnostic assessment where teachers can see the student and where they started the class with and what material they knew before entering the class. The teachers are also have the capability of requesting a progress knowledge check underneath the assignments tab, and these are given to students periodically, and it's a great way to have a formative assessment and not affect the student's overall grade. These progress knowledge checks test the students on the topics they have learned to see if they have mastered them. If so, the teacher will see that and the percentage of the pie will have improved. If a student still has not fully grasped a concept, then the pie percentage will decrease and it will bring the topics back to the pie in order for students to practice the topic more. ALEKS also has a feature where teachers can assign assignments like quizzes, homeworks, and assessments. Here, teachers can click on an assessment and they are able to assign specific questions regarding the topics they have learned and are able to set due dates and can even allow students to access a worked example, so if they are struggling and need assistance, they can see an example of how to do a problem. There's another great aspect of this is students can get extra help with these assessments, and teachers can assign a specific assessment to the students so that if they're struggling, they are able to get more help. Overall, ALEKS is a great learning tool that helps the teacher focus on student learning and their objectives. The students are required to master the early learning objectives and topics in order to move on to the later objectives and meet the standard. The teachers can constantly check the progress of each class. ALEKS helps students see their own progress and see which topics they still need to learn. The students always have the ALEKS pie available to them so they can see what topics they've mastered and what topics they have left to still master. It mostly helps us teachers see where our students are and where we need to get them to so they can accomplish the standard and be successful.